Good afternoon. This is video journal number 1 for copywriting. First question, what level of commitment towards being a good copywriter do you have? I think my level of commitment is pretty high. I realize it's very important to be able to write copyright because when you're writing, you're actually trying to sell something, whether it's for the radio, TV. When you're writing, you need to bring people and then ask them for an action. In other words, ask them to go into their pocketbooks, wallets, billfolds, whatever, and pull out some greenbacks. So that's very important to me, to be able to get those funds out of folks and pass them on. So I'd say my level of commitment is, fairly high to being a good copywriter. Second question, what attributes do you possess that will help you feel like you can become a good copywriter? Well, I'm willing to learn and I am not afraid of writing. I realize that, sometimes you make mistakes writing, but you have to keep writing and keep writing and keep writing. Just like anything else with practice, things get better. So I think because I'm not afraid to write and willing to write, I think that is one of the better steps, at least in the beginning, that will allow me to be a fairly decent copywriter. And then the third thing is which professional application of copywriting most interests you. I'm thinking that the branding aspect of copywriting is what interests me the most. It allows me to be able to promote, an organization or events, things that I'm doing. I can help branding with company names, product services, help come up with slogans, potentially taglines, things of that nature. I think branding is very important because branding is when you brand, that's when you allow people to use the TOMA, which is top of mind awareness, which is very important. When people are thinking of products and services, whatever it may be, you always want them to think of you and whatever it is that you and your organization or company is doing. So I think branding for me is probably the one that I am looking forward to the most. And I think my time is up. I'm over 2 minutes. I do apologize. Video journal number 1, Rodney Funderburk. Thank you.